Hey guys, this is an operational or technical overview of the KGK printer. Today we're looking at the black version. This is more or less the same as the white one. There's a couple of minor differences in the print head and internally for parts of the machine, but otherwise setup and use of the machine is the same. So I've just turned this on. You just saw that loading screen we had there. It said under bleed. Essentially what it does is just remove any air that's in the system or could be left in the system when the machine's not in use. So I've just got on the right hand side here, just this power button. So this is our mains or isolating power to the whole machine. Generally you don't want to turn this on and off. This is what you turn it on and then you never turn it off again. And I'll explain why just in a little bit. What you're actually going to do when you turn the machine on and off is you'll just have this end button here. If you're in run mode, you'll click stop and then you click end. What this will actually do, if we see here, shut down the system shutdown, and you'll notice compared to other inkjet codes, the shutdown is virtually immediate. And again, I'll explain a little bit further, but the main thing is the print head in this machine is actually a caps itself, which means you don't get the issue where you do with a lot of the other inkjet coders, where you get all the ink drying and coagulating in the head or in the lines. You can just see here I've got power to the system, just so I have a little red light here. What I'm going to do is just click this button, and we're going to get green, and we're going to turn on. Start procedure is about a minute or so. As said, you never want to turn the machine off with your isolating power on the side. And the reason being is what we can put into this machine is a timer, which will automatically turn the machine on as long as it's plugged in the power and as long as that isolating switch isn't turned off. And it means on days when you're not using the machine, it can just boot itself up for a couple of hours and ensures that the ink is always flowing through the machine. And again, for people that have worked on these, they can be a irritating machine if the ink ever dries up or it stops flowing through there. So just this time the system avoids all of that. What I'm going to run you through is essentially just, if you've never used the machine before, just what the common menus are that you'll be exploring and actually how to do a setup. So I've actually already set up my print head just for use of my transfer belt trolley here, and it's just set up over here. We'll just be coding on the base of the containers, or we'll swap across to our traditional print head stand shortly, and we'll just print on the side of some containers as well. As you can see, it just gets stuck in the screen for a little while it's just loading, and so it's just all the pumps just come into action to supply ink to the system. So we're just going to give that a moment and then we'll get into it.